Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. And this video is something a little bit different, more of a review from a waist trainer slash, corset that I purchased from Amazon. This is not the first one I've purchased. I have purchased others from eBay and also from like the actual stores. But this is the first one I got from Amazon, and I just had to do a review on it, you guys, because I absolutely love it. And I don't know if, there are others that are looking for waist trainers, but this one, hands down, was the best one. Uh, Although the ones on Amazon was cheaper, this one was a little bit more expensive, but still affordable. Um, so this is pretty much what it looks like. And I do have the short torso. The very first one that I bought, it was blue and black, and it was just a regular corset. And when I sat down, the thing would just go like cut all up into my boobs, and I just couldn't do it. So this time I had to purchase one that was a short torso. Y'all, I never even realized I had a short torso until corset shopping. But so yeah, it comes with the three little lines here of hooks of rows. Now, right now, I am able to hook it on the second row. When I first received this, I could only get it on the first row. This is a medium. Y'all, when corset shopping, the first thing you think of is like, okay, what size do I get? What is my right size? Y'all, I went through so many reviews, like comments, reading, trying to figure out somebody who was my size, the closest, to try to see what size I'm supposed to buy. Anyways, because I have been trying to, shed off this baby gut I got. I have lost some weight. I will say that. But I don't know if it has to do with this or if it's just my change in diet. I did change my diet about a month ago, to just strictly vegetables and fruits, and y'all, it's like really working. Now, do I exercise? Freak no. Freak no. But I can say that exercising does work, because when I was in the military, let me tell you, body was banging. Do you hear me? Muscles, tone, definition, everything, okay? So exercising does work. I know that it works. I just don't feel like doing it. And I'm not going to lie about that. So I just changed my diet, and that pretty much worked. Like, I'm losing the weight. Like I said, when I first got this, I was only able to get it into the first notch. I'm able to get it into the second one now. And I'm not sure if this thing is actually stretching with my body or if I'm actually just slimming down. I don't know. But this thing is amazing. So I'm going to put this on. I'll be right back. I forgot, you probably want to see a before, but yeah, so this is me to the side. As you can see, yeah, I still got like a pudge, a baby gut. I don't like it. Like, ugh, y'all, I just don't like it. But this hides it very, very well, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on and be right back. Just in case some of you want to see me putting it on, I am putting it on the second row. And as you can see, I am pretty much able to hook this pretty easily. Now, you will sweat. This thing does make you sweat. Oh my goodness. So I always wear it over, like over my shirt. But you can't put it up under your shirt. Look at that. Flatten that tummy right on out. But I will say, if you do wear it under your shirt, these right here, it does show if you are wearing like a tight fitted shirt. I'm going to go ahead and sit down. I am able to sit in this very comfortably. I'm able to pretty much clean, cook, tend to my kids, everything that I would normally do on a daily basis with no problems. Okay, about me, I guess my measurements to maybe try to help someone else out looking. I'm short, 5'2", 5'3", somewhere around there. My weight right now is probably about 135-ish to 140, somewhere around there. Now, to me, that's big because that's normally the size that I am when I'm full term. Excuse me, when I'm full term with my kids, being pregnant. So that was big to me. My pants right now are an 11, but when you put this thing on, it does make those pants too big. It will make your pants pretty much be too big for you. My bra is, these are some D's up here. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. But I got the short torso because, like I said, with the regular one, when I would sit down, it was just cutting all up in there, and I just couldn't deal with that. But this is a really good torso. This is a really good corset. Like, it's working. It's doing what I need it to do in all of the right places. So far, I've been doing it for, this is going into week 2. And I love it. I love it. I've had nothing but good experiences with it, great things to say. If you are looking to buy it, please buy it. Matter of fact, let me go and see how much it is right now. $21.99, and they do have different styles. You do not have to buy the short one. I just bought the short one. But yeah, Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Um, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to start reviewing things that I get from Amazon because you guys, half the time there's not a lot of comments, reviews, or anything like that to go off of. But if you have any more questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.